Artificial intelligence, with its promise of innovation and efficiency, is reshaping industries across the globe. But just how much does it cost to bring this futuristic technology to life? Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of technology and explore the limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of AIcosts, uncovering the figures and insights that drive innovation and shape the future of industries worldwide. The best part is that AI can be molded into any industry and business. But despite the benefits promised by the emerging technology, building AI software can get expensive. Considering the variables involved in the development process, most companies often hesitate to move forward with their AI idea. Before we dive into the numbers, let's set the stage. Picture this: a dance of innovation begins with the initial investment. Companies take the stage, investing an average of $50,000 to $300,000 to set the rhythm for their AI projects. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about hardware and software. It's about laying the foundation for a symphony of AI capabilities. Now, let's talk data, the maestro of AI symphonies. Acquiring high-quality datasets becomes an art form that demands precision and investment. Costs vary between $5,000 to $50,000 per project, depending on the complexity and richness of the data. It's not just about numbers, it's about orchestrating the perfect harmony between data and innovation. The development and integration phase takes center stage. Companies recruit a league of AI superheroes, data scientists, engineers, and consultants, investing anywhere from $100,000 to $500,000 for their talents. This is where the magic happens. Creating AI models is like crafting a masterpiece, and the investment reflects the craftsmanship required. But the show doesn't end there. It's time for continuous training in ballet. AI models demand ongoing attention, updates, and improvements, with annual costs pirouetting between $10,000 to $100,000. It's a performance that never stops, ensuring that AI stays in sync with the ever-changing rhythm of technological advancements. Now, let's dim the lights and bring the spotlight on opportunity costs. Implementing AI isn't just about the money, it's about the strategic choices businesses make. Consider potential revenue losses or missed opportunities, and you'll understand the intricate dance of opportunity costs. AI is an investment that requires a strategic choreography, balancing risks and rewards on the grand stage of business innovation. The average price of a complete bespoke AI system can range from $20,000 to $1 million. The cost of a minimal viable product, MVP, ranges from $8,000 to $15,000. The myth that AI is expensive and only for large tech companies like Google, Microsoft, or Facebook is pervasive. As we reach the grand finale, it's evident that the cost of AI is not merely a number, but a symphony of investment, innovation, and opportunity. Many businesses discover that the long-term benefits of AI far outweigh the upfront costs, driving growth and success. If you enjoyed this captivating exploration, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing insights into the incredible realm of artificial intelligence. Until next time, stay curious and keep pushing the boundaries of innovation.